Hello! Today I will be showing you the app GarageBand, how it works, how you can incorporate it in your classroom, some of the features that it holds, and a tutorial on how it works. What is GarageBand? This is an app that is installed automatically on every iPhone. This is a perfect app for beginner musicians. You can connect your instruments to this app and it will record the music that you play. On the app itself, you can use the instruments that are already provided in order to create different beats and make music. You can also record just an audio of your voice speaking and use that file for different settings on your iPhone. How can we see this used in the classroom? You can see this to teach your younger kids the different instruments and what they sound like. Teachers can use this to make songs to incorporate into different lessons. An example of this would be if a math teacher was trying to teach her students a formula, she could turn it into a song using GarageBand. Music teachers can also teach the children about the different aspects of writing and recording songs through this app as well. This could also be a great final exam project for college students by having them write a song and sending it to their professors. For the holidays, younger kids can record a song and this can be given to their parents as a present. What are some other features of GarageBand to know? There's a tab on the left that says Learn to Play, which is where you can learn different notes of different instruments. There's also a tab that says Lesson Store that can give you lessons on how to play instruments you select. For iPhone users, you can record an audio recording and put it into your settings that will turn it into a custom ringtone. Once you open GarageBand, you're going to be brought to a screen that looks like this. You're going to have 5 tabs on the side: New Project, Recent, Learn to Play, Lesson Store, and Project Templates. When you look at New Project, you can see that there is an option to have an empty project where you can choose, and it will bring you to this screen where you can choose a type of track. You can either have software instrument, audio, or drummer. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to use a software instrument. As you see on your left side, you have an option of many different instruments that you can choose from to download and explore. As you can see on my right, we have a tiny scaled version of a piano. The options down at the bottom here can either increase the velocity or decrease the velocity. And the X and the Z over here you can use to move the piano to different notes on the scale. In order to use the piano itself, you can either click on the notes individually, or you can click the first note and drag your mouse to play all of the notes smoothly. Before recording a song, it should be noted that in the bottom you have different dials over here that can add to your beat in the background of the song you're going to record. Once you're ready to record, you click the red button up here and it will give you your beat, and you can then play your instrument on top of the beat. And once you're done, you would click the record button again, stop the beat, and you have what you just played on your piano. Once you're done in this part of GarageBand, you would click the X, and it would ask you if you want to save your project that you worked on. So you can save it, you can title it, so I'll title this Project 1. And now, on the left, when you go to your second tab, which is Recent, you will see your project is right here. The next tab after that is Learn to Play, which is a chord trainer, so you have your guitar lessons. You also have piano lessons and artist lessons. And when you click into chord trainer, you can see at the bottom there are different chords that you can select to learn, and it will show you on the piano where your fingers go when you are learning how to play that chord. The next tab underneath that is Lesson Store. You have your home screen, which is what we just saw. Then you have guitar lessons, piano lessons, and artist lessons. Guitar lessons, you have basic guitar, rock guitar, and blues guitar, where you have different lesson series that you can download and learn different chords of that instrument. This is the same thing with piano. Next is artist lessons. Some of these singers you might recognize that if you click on these, so for example, we'll do Fall Out Boy for guitar lessons.
Hi, I'm Patrick Stump and I'd like to show you how to play Sugar We're Going Down.
You can learn how to play different songs on the guitar from the artists teaching you themselves. This is the same thing with piano lessons. We'll use this for example.
I'm John Legend, and I'm going to show you how to play my song, Ordinary People.
Last, you can see project templates. With this option, you can download several options. You have keyboard collection, amp collection, voice, hip hop, electronics, and songwriter. I used the voice option to record, create custom